The term human-machine interface refers to a dashboard or screen used to control machinery. PLCs, Programmable Logic Controllers, are compact industrial computers with modular components designed to automate specialized control processes. We use switchgears from ABB, Siemens, and Omron. Proximity sensor includes all sensors that perform non-contact detection in comparison to sensors, such as limit switches, that detect objects by physically contacting them. Air-cooled oil coolers are used to bring the temperature of the fluid down in a hydraulic system. Lubricating oil pumps are used to supply oil to lubrication points. In the case of circulation lubrication, the lubricating oil pump takes in an amount of oil from a reservoir, forces it through the lubrication points, and then feeds it back to the reservoir. Sliding door is the safety hydraulic press guard, comprises a vertical sliding door with the help of a pneumatic cylinder. A light curtain is a safety device. When an object or person enters the protected area and interrupts one or more of the light beams, the receiver detects the interruption and sends a signal to the control unit.